Your floors deal with a lot every day. Shoes tracking in dirt, spills in the kitchen, fur drifting across the tile. Most people handle it in stages. You vacuum first, then mop, then maybe a spray on top, and even then, you're never fully sure the germs are gone. One new product from iRobot changes all of that. Unlike traditional Roomba robots, the Roomba Electro Plus is a first-of-its-kind cordless, user-operated cleaning system that vacuums, mops, and disinfects in a single pass, using nothing more than tap water for commercial-grade sanitation. Electrolyzed water technology turns that tap water into a solution strong enough to kill 99.99% of bacteria, fungi, viruses, and germs, yet gentle enough for hardwood, tile, laminate, and vinyl. It leaves a clean surface naturally without any harsh fumes or residue while staying safe for kids, pets, and the planet. That is a huge win in my house. And you won't spend another minute scrubbing a mop head either. The ThermaClean dock automatically heat washes, heat dries, and sanitizes the mop with a press of a button, eliminating grime, bacteria buildup, and the need to clean it yourself. Every run starts fresh with no extra work on your end. The single PowerSpin roller mop self-cleans while mopping, while anti-hair wrap rollers keep hair from tangling. Dirt Detect technology senses messes and dials up roller speed and water flow for deeper cleaning in fewer passes, even on the toughest spots. This 5-in-1 floor cleaner also offers additional settings, including long eco mode, which delivers up to 35 minutes of extended runtime on a single charge. That's more time to clean with fewer interruptions. Plus, its 180-degree lay-flat design lets it glide under couches, cabinets, and furniture most cleaners skip entirely. Self-propelled power means one hand is all it takes to guide it through your home. Replace your vacuum, your mop, your bucket, and your disinfectant with a single system, and start saving on refills with every clean. Check it out for yourself at iRobot.com or on Amazon to see what the Roomba Electro Plus can do for your home.